At 147 inches, this is the widest monitor setup that I could find on YouTube. But today, I'm gonna try and beat it and build a 152-inch monitor that doesn't even have any bezels like this guy. So by the end of this video, I should have the world record for the world's widest gaming monitor. Let's build this thing, man. Now, the widest monitor that you can actually buy online is one that is 49 inches wide, and I already have one. So naturally, oh God, it doesn't even fit through the door. I've bought 2 more. Oh my word, look at the size of these boxes. My bank account right now, it's probably best not thinking about. Now I know you guys are probably thinking, how the hell am I gonna combine these 3 monitors to create one super huge wide monitor? Don't worry, we'll get into that. But first, let's unbox these things and test them out. Holy, yeah, this is too big for the table. Oh, yeah, let's unveil this. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Look at this. This is going to be so satisfying. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, a little bit unsatisfying at the end. There's 1 screw. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. We now have 2 ultra wides. Oh, my word. The biggest problem with this monitor, I think, is literally just going to be the fact that we might not have a desk that's big enough, and we might need to get some more desks in here. Oh my God, that desk is bending. That might snap. That might snap. We might need a better desk. Okay. Right, if we put that there, so this is our new desk space. 3, 2, 1. Here is the first one. Okay, now let's put the next monitor on here. This is the most stupid idea I've ever come up with. Why did you let me buy these monitors, Emily? It was not a good idea. This is a terrible idea. Oh, here we go. The first one is lining up. What have we done? I know you're probably thinking, Dan, but look at the bezels here. There's gonna be bezels. Listen, I have a way to get rid of the bezels. Just trust me, please. Even just having 2, that's way more than my vision can even comprehend. People at NASA don't have a monitor this wide. Please, come on. Here we go, come on. Oh my, I can't comprehend this right now. This is too much. Whoa, what's happening? The screen's going really weird. Oh God, what have I done? I've enabled the setting now to make the computer think that this is one huge monitor. Yes, it's worked, it's worked. Look how wide Google Chrome is. Right, this is Minecraft so far. It's a bit weird with a bezel down the middle, but don't worry, we'll get rid of that. Oh, this is the weirdest Minecraft I've ever played. My entire peripheral vision is being surrounded. Having 2 is crazy enough, right? But we're gonna get rid of this bezel, don't worry. The further you get out into the monitors, the more like warped it's getting. Like, you see this tree here? Look what happens if I put it to the side. Look at how fat that is. I'm starting to think that like FOV games are probably not the best for this experience. Maybe something like Forza might be better. Oh no, this is sick. Oh, no. Oh yeah, this is elite. Oh! What am I doing? This will be even better when we get rid of this bezel. And to be fair, we need to add a third monitor now. I'm gonna do that. I wanna see what this will look like with a third monitor. Let's go get the second one out. I hope the monitor's okay. Next one in. There we go. Ooh. That's very nice. The actual real problem with doing this is gonna be the table management of trying to actually get this whole thing to work and not collapse on itself and die. Now we just need to make sure the line up here. Oh my God, this is actually working. Come on. Oh my God. What have we made? Right, okay, now we've got to try and connect all 3 up, which is gonna be, well, that's gonna be interesting. 3, 2, 1. Why has nothing happened? Oh! All the monitors have gone off. Has it worked? Oh, they're all turning on, they're all turning off. What? Oh my God, it's done it. Oh my God, it's actually done it. If I load up Forza now, this should look absolutely insane. Oh, yo, this is weird. What the hell is this? Oh my word. Yeah, my car is like super wide. Even though we haven't removed the bezels on the monitor yet, this setup still looks completely insane. I mean, just look at how it handles Forza. So before we remove the bezels, let's test out a few more games on this setup. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, Minecraft supports 15K resolution. What frame rate are we getting? Ready? We're getting 1,000 frames. What? How are we getting 1,000 frames? Look at that. I'm more immersed than ever right now. Look at how distorted everything gets as soon as you get onto the wide monitor. Just look at Minecraft. Well, shall we try? Oh my God, Fortnite supports 15K. Oh, but look how wide it is. Oh my God. I am so wide. Look at me, man. Oh Oh, it does look really weird. I don't like Fortnite in this angle, man. I don't like it. I really don't like it on Fortnite. What am I doing? I've just tried scanning the screen for the mini-map, but I've realized it's all the way over here. I feel sick. This actually makes me feel sick playing this. Forza was great. Minecraft wasn't even too bad. This is horrible. Come on. Oh my God. It's so hard to shoot. 2 kills on ultra wide mode. I hate this. I'm actually going off of Fortnite because this actually makes me feel sick. But yeah, I've got something special to remove these bezels. And that is this ROG bezel free kit from Asus. From my knowledge, what these things basically are, they're like, I guess, panels you stick over here that bends the light into removing the bezels completely. Something tells me that this isn't gonna work, but you know what? We're gonna try it anyway. What the hell is that? Look at that. So apparently you put these in there and then you... Oh my God, it does work. Oh my God, it worked. That works. Now we're on to the next one. This should honestly give us like an extra 2 inches of like monitor space. I don't know how the hell these work. If we put that on there. That one's perfect. That one is perfect. This might be the widest display that anyone has ever done. That looks good. That looks good. I've lost my mouse. Where's my mouse? I have to look all the way. I have to literally turn my chair to look at my mouse. From my exact angle where my head is now, that doesn't look too bad. It might look a little bit weirder on camera. I don't know, but that doesn't look too bad to me.
Yeah, so these bezel removers kind of work in a weird way where your head has to be in the kind of exact right position for them to work. I did this camera shot here where you can pause on the exact moment where your head kind of needs them to be for them to all to like sync up correctly and look like it's one big monitor. I just thought I'd let you guys know that because from any other angle that the camera picks up, it does look a little bit weird, but just know from what I'm seeing, it looks really good.
Oh no, this is elite. This is elite. This is the best thing in the world. Oh my God, this is actually the best thing in the world. Yeah, this is amazing. My brain has literally just forgotten that there are bezels there now. This literally to me looks like one just huge display. When you sit back, this is cool, but you kind of notice the bezels a little bit there. This is the best gaming experience in the world. You feel in the game. It's better when I'm in the middle of the car though, because like this monitor looks like just a window. Wait, hang on a second. It says here that these monitors are 5,760, so I can't do the math in my head. This is the actual resolution of these 3 monitors. Our flight simulator is gonna cook my PC. It's literally gonna cook it whole. I just hope this supports the 16 or 17K that this is. Look at this loading bar. It literally goes all the way around me. Imagine if I had another monitor here. I'd have a literal 360 monitor. Whoa, this looks sick. I'm upside down, I'm upside down. This looks weird. Like I actually feel like I'm here. Oh, this is the best way to play Microsoft Flight Simulator. This is honestly one of the most insane things I've ever done. Being this close to the screen looks pretty good because the bezels really get covered up and your brain like sort of fizzles them out. I'm opening up The Witcher. Let's see if The Witcher supports 17K. I'm a very, very wide boy, but I am playing in 17K. I gotta say, this was a crazy experience. Look at that monitor. Who plays games, honestly, like that? This is honestly the most stupid video I've ever done. If you want me to go even crazy with these weird setups, I'm down for it. Just like and subscribe and I'll do it.